How to create images on ElevenLabs using your mobile device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are trying to create AI images using your mobile phone on ElevenLabs, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up your ElevenLabs application on your device and log into your account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on the image option at the top of the screen under Create New, and then write down the description of the image you want in the text box at the bottom. After typing down the prompt, you can also try to be more clear and detailed about the prompt because better prompts usually create better images. I'm just typing it this much for the sake of the video, but you can go ahead and elaborate your prompt. Once you are done, from the bottom, you'll be able to see the style or settings options. Tap on this little slider at the bottom and go ahead and choose the model, number of generations for the image, aspect ratio and resolution, and tap the tick mark at the top right. And finally, go ahead and send the prompt by tapping the arrow at the bottom right. Some image generation feature may require a premium subscription or credits. Free plans may have daily or monthly generation limits. And make sure you have a stable internet connection so that it helps images generate faster. So that is how you can create an AI image on ElevenLabs using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.